Hey there, again. I'm just bored, so I thought I'd make a video or something, you know. So, you know, what's there to vlog about? Yeah. If you were in the Essex area, you would have noticed loads of rain and shit. And yeah, not good. I don't know about you guys, but it's really bad down here. It's kind of like hailstone, rain, flood, madness. Not good. And the sky went green. Really, really green. It was like lightning and everything. And it was just fucking terrifying. And I was literally, okay, under the covers, hiding. You know, because I'm hardcore and everything. Can't stand a bit of rain. It's quite a slow night on MSN. Yeah. And I've really nothing better to do other than vlog and rant and stuff. And I found that webcams make for really decent mirrors sometimes. So if you see me doing my hair, it's probably because I'm, Oh, hello. Yeah. Hey, now it's all picking up. My best friend Rosie's talking. So it's all good. I've just informed her that she's going to be put in this video. Yes. She said, send me a link once you've done. See that? Fuzzy. Send me a link once you've done. Send. Yeah. Rosie's fucking gorgeous. Yep. Fucking beautiful. I'm gonna tell her she's beautiful. Fucking beautiful. Look. Pretty beautiful. I think I'll make her go on cam too so you can see how beautiful she is. What the hell? Shut up. No, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. Look how fucking beautiful. Fucking beautiful. You're fucking beautiful, Rosie. You're fucking beautiful. You're a creepy fucking stalker. You're fucking beautiful. She wants me to go on cam, but I can't. Nuh-uh. Sucker. Because I'm recording, fucking bitch. Beautiful bitch. Reese, what have you got to say? Damn it, I love my friends. I really do. Oh, Rosie needs a wee. Yep, she needs a wee. Be right back, I need a wee, she said. That's what she said. Fucking creepy Rosie. Right. Decided it is time for a rave. It is. It is rave time. Where is my rave music? Right. You'll see, kids. Take this.
history that I could see. I walked until my feet got sore. I set up my small tent and I camped on the floor. Dinosaurs go on. Dinosaurs go on. Dinosaurs go on.
Rosie's having the fucking longest pee in the world.
1, 2, 3, 4. I went to check out the dinosaurs.
Stare. We know you're back. See? Even if she is ginger. Ah! We shouldn't have saw that. Not in Rosie's house. Drink it, bitch, drink it. Lick the lid of life, Rosie. No. You know what? Let's make some signs. But it doesn't work now you're already here and know what I'm doing. I don't really have enough trees to do that again. Yeah, if you want me to and you like it, down there, right in the comments, tell me. I really need some more viewers, so subscribe. Just sympathy scribe to me, seriously, I need it. I'll put on some more music, if that'll help. But I think we're about to run out of time in a second. So I think it's Escape the Fate time, because you just gotta love 'em. You can watch my MSN conversations, by the way, since I'm not actually that interesting to watch anymore, so I've discovered. Right.
I can't believe the drama that I'm in. The flood is getting closer. I don't think they know that I know how to swim. You're feeling numb from all that has become. It leaves your gums, slips down your tongue, and travels fast down towards your lungs. All because I feel the pressure. It's coming down on me. It's turning me black and blue. Oh, why you left me on the side of the road? And I got no place to go. You broke the troubles that you cause. Our pain is getting stronger, like an open wound without the scars. It's on my brain.
Oh yeah, fucking beautiful. So fucking beautiful. Fucking hot. Fucking beautiful. Fucking stalker. Bye guys. Pretty much done here now. Haters.